Baby Caddy Organizer Nursery Diaper Storage by Saboni is one of the best baby diaper changing kits products. Button for this premium and versatile organizer. Sturdy premium build. This baby diaper caddy organizer is made from high-quality 100% eco-friendly felt material while spotting strong seams, improved upper stitching, and a double bottom to ensure it stays in shape even when not filled completely. The tote basket is sure to maintain premium quality for years to come despite consistent use. Stay organized. Coming with several compartments for improved functionality, this diaper storage bin will help you stay organized at all time. Whether used at home or on the go, it allows you store diapers, wipes, baby clothes, toys, and more, all within easy reach. Ultra-modern practical design. The manufacturer's Diaper Caddy organizer comes in ultra-sleek design which makes it possible to use as more than a newborn diaper bag, but also as an infant diaper caddy, can also be used for 2 kids at once. The lightweight storage bin comes in an enlarged size of 13 by 9 by 7 to provide improved versatility. Versatile use. This lightweight portable car organizer is designed to provide versatile use. Coming with several compartments, it can be used as a large tote for cosmetics, a travel diaper caddy, books and even as an art craft organizer. You can also buy this as a baby shower gift for boy or girl. The manufacturer's risk-free promise. Made from premium quality felt and durable seams, this newborn registry is crafted to provide efficiency for years to come. However, if you feel it's not performing to promise, feel free to contact them for a refund within 30 days of purchase.